All right, guys, welcome back. Man, sorry we ain't got the footage up yet, but this is gonna be an extended video. Still getting everything together. Had another I don't know what to call it, but had another little vision we gonna start adding to it. We've been connecting with others, getting people in, and we're starting getting the wheels rolling. So right now, we're actually outside. We're actually at CJ's Customs right now, and he actually got my first package, not for the car, but since we're going this YouTube route, he actually went ahead and helped me out. We actually have what we have here, fool.
What's up, man?
What we got? A Vansky. Have a Vansky, guys. Some old time stuff, but hey, man, you gotta start somewhere. Don't nothing happen overnight. So yeah, actually, I'm gonna go ahead and start opening some of this stuff. I'm gonna have Mr. Customs, you know what I'm saying, go ahead, still get the footage. Hey, fool. Hey, man, we gotta get in here early. Just hold like that. All right. I ain't got my box cutter, man. So used to working so much. Ooh. So it's over with. I get that 40 roll, hung. We'll have it already in there. All right, guys. I was just, but, bro, move around, bro. Move around. I ain't the smartest man in the world. Ooh. All right, guys. Trying to get this attached real quick. Which one is for? Put it on the side of the car?
Dash.
Dash?
Yeah.
All right.
That one you got on there right now for your windshield.
All right, guys. So I think that might be the actual one we need. But we have a cami safe, if I'm saying it right. Innovation for life. Yes. All right, guys. We actually have our own little actual vlog stick, courtesy to CJ's Customs. So, okay, and a little tripod stand. Okay, we ain't major yet. We gotta start somewhere. I guess this is it, guys. All right. I screw on and then I attach on, huh? Cool. Y'all, we also have one more package too besides CJ's Customs, My old lady, we ain't got too much footage of her, but we actually have another little thing she bought and she surprised me with. So she's telling me, get it on and get it on there, get it on there. I'm a part of the channel too, babe. So we're gonna go ahead and go get that in a second. So hey, fool, this don't work.
It worked.
Unless it's supposed to be flimsy like that. Cause it ain't twisting no more.
You had to play with it.
Okay. Cause it's I just don't want it to be turning when I'm doing it. But where's the other piece? So how's my phone going here? Oh, cool. All right, guys, we got the surprise. We're gonna actually get a cold start in the next few minutes. So these videos are gonna be back to back. So it's gonna be 2 today. Honestly, really 3. We have another episode from, a couple of cars getting together, us having fun, and just learning more. All right, y'all. We out. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. Definitely show love to us. We almost at 500, Thank y'all for everything. my page, and CJ's Customs as well. We out. All right, guys, we back. We went ahead and tried to get some of this stuff installed. Well, as you can see, I'm sorry, guys. Still waking up. As you can see, it is installed. We got it hanging from the corner so you can get an actual view of everything that's going on. We get a quick in, quick out. And most of the time it'll just be like little snippets, small rolls, small little drives. When we add on parts, we're gonna be all in here. So you know what I'm saying? We actually got my guy. He's gone, but y'all can see we got CJ. He went ahead, came out this morning, helped me out, got it together, put it in the rear view, and this is all it was. If that's a help, new beginners, people who's already established, y'all just need something to, hold your phone. You don't want to do it. We got that in there. So, that. We actually got the whole stick now. So when we on the move, on the go, it stands by itself. And a little bit of everything, guys. So we're only in the process of getting better. So we're gonna be getting a lot of more stuff in. I know we actually got like a drag strip to actually go to. So you know what I'm saying? We will try to get mostly all the footage of that. If you haven't checked out the recent video, do that this morning. We actually just got it uploaded. So go ahead, check us out, see what we got. We're gonna have this one uploaded as well. So we actually got a couple. We just been a little bit behind. So cold start video, probably a video of some shifting, doing a little bit more with her, you know what I'm saying, taking her out. But we still have to, get some stuff done to her as well. So, just giving y'all some small video. We got our stuff in. We're going to be recording more. We're going to have more footage. We're going to keep it going. All right, back at it, guys. We just stopped by my woman's house, and we have a slim line dash cam. So, it's audio and video recorder. I have a 360 swivel, fits all cars, easy install. It's a 2.4 LCD video screen, adjustable angle, wide angle lens, 360 pivot mount, LED lens. And besides that, car features. We have a car HD audio and video recorder, 123 angles, wide angle video resolution, 180p. Motion detection, built-in 2.4 LED screen, loop recording. As well, the kit includes a car charger, suction car mount, and USB charge and sync cable. So we're almost all the way, guys. Just to encourage safety. So this is things we need when we're driving at different speeds throughout the day. Things to help us record, things to help us get footage. So in a second, we're gonna fast forward it. We're gonna mount it up, and we're gonna get everything going. We just need CJ's to help. All right, y'all. We out. Don't forget, comment, like, subscribe. Definitely show love to us. We're almost at 500. Thank y'all for everything. My page and CJ's Customs as well. We out.